So mga Commanders, very successful ang meeting natin today with our partner, ang Kings and Queens, at saka in collaboration with Atin Ito Supermarket. So, antabayanan nyo yan. We've got lots of surprises for you. Kasi itong project na to, it will not only benefit both partners, but it will also go to the charity. So, abangan nyo yan because we really worked hard for this, and we brainstorm we brainstorm a lot para lang kung anong maibibigay natin na makatulong sa kapwa natin.
So successful yung ating food tasting.
That's correct.
Meeting. So abangan nyo kung ano yung lalabas na recipe or menu ng Wandering Kusina sa Atin Ito Supermarket.
That's correct. So again, the proceeds of this project will go to charity dyan sa Pilipinas. We haven't finalized it yet, pero hopefully ma-finalize na natin yan very soon. We'll be contacting some charity sa Pilipinas, probably government charity or private charities. So we'll think about it. Baka family, we will be helping a family sa magpapaaral tayo ng mga bata, ganyan. So excited lang kami, and we want to share this with you, and we really look forward na nandyan kayo to support us in this journey namin sa Wandering Kusina. So we're leveling up. This is one of the ways na work out natin, and we're happy that we get to be part of that we are able to do this, and the doors of opportunity are able to open or are opening for us this 2023, not only at this time but hopefully beyond this year, beyond at this moment. So mga Ka-Wonders, we are hoping that you will support us, especially yung mga taga Abu Dhabi. We need your support para makatulong tayo. Thank you very much always, mga Ka-Wonders. What's up mga Ka-Wonders? So we're on our way to Atin Ito Supermarket. So I'm just driving there. We're almost there. Imi-meet natin si Chef Mark, of course. Si Mark, dala niya na yung mga gamit pang shoot natin. So this is our teaching day para turuan natin yung cook ng Atin Ito Supermarket to cook our recipes para sa ihahain natin na pwede nating ibenta sa Atin Ito. And we are going to be cooking 3 recipes dahil na-approve yung 3 pina-taste test natin. Yay! So, tuturuan natin yung taga Atin Ito Supermarket, yung cook nila, yung in-house cook nila, kasi may central kitchen sila. Tuturuan natin kung paano lutuin yung crispy beef, crispy tuwalya, at saka chicken pastel. So, yan yung Atin Ito Supermarket. Then that's Electra Park, yung park na yan. Then look at here, kasi nung darating, yan o. Dumating na si chef na chef. And yan. Ready na?
Ready?
Sige. What's up mga Ka-Wonders? So we are here now inside sa kitchen ng Atin Ito Supermarket. So this is a start sa ating pagturo sa kanila kung paano lulutuin yung 3 recipes na sinabi ko kanina. So, naka-chef uniform talaga si Chef Marco.
Yes.
Chef, oh. Yan si Chef J-Lo.
Hello po.
At saka si Chef Lucci.
Yeah.
Sila yung main cook dito sa Atin Ito Supermarket. Sila yung gumagawa ng lahat ng mga street food na nai-enjoy nyo dito. So ito yung pinakuluang manok na. So ilang oras na pinakuluang manok? Basta lang malumambot, no?
Yeah. Tsaka yung lagay.
Tapos, ito yung tripe na niluto nila kanina. Pin-pressure cooker for 1 hour. Napakasarap niyan, guys. So this is for the chicken pastil.
So yung chicken pastil dapat wala siyang skin.
Okay na. So, success yung pastel natin. Crispy bean. Na-achieve niyo ba mga chefs ang lasa ng kaligayahan? Ay, kulang pa ng fry. Ibalik.
Balik natin. Pero yung lasa okay na, no?
Lasa okay na. So now, this is the final product. Second fry na to. Kasi nakulangan tayo ng fry kanina. So let's see.
Mas ano siya, no?
Pagka mo. Pachi.
Okay na lang.
No. So yan mga ka-wonders, so ready na ba tayo para ibenta itong mga lutuin ng Wondery Kusina?
Yes! Ready na!
Ayun! So mga ka-wonders, abangan nyo po yung mga recipes na yan. Or by the time na mapanood nyo to, naka-launch na kami. Available na po to dito sa food court ng Atin Ito Supermarket. Thank you very much for watching. Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace! Daghang salamat! Guys, bye-bye kayo!
Bye!